Hi everyone, my name is Kelly Swanson and I am 28 years old. I currently live in Wilmington, Delaware, about half an hour to 45 minutes from Weiner University, depending on traffic. I have an associate's degree in human services from Delaware Technical and Community College, and I have a bachelor's degree in behavioral sciences from Wilmington University. I am currently a judicial case manager for a judge in family court in Newcastle County, Delaware. Unfortunately, but fortunately at the same time, I am working from home 3 days a week and only working 2 days a week because of the pandemic, and hoping to get back there full time soon. I chose to pursue my master's degree during this part of my life cycle for a couple of different reasons. First, the biggest reason, my husband and I do not have any children at this point in time. And I feel that if I did decide at this point in my life to have a baby, I would not pursue my master's degree for a few years. And my ultimate goal is to become a counselor. So I just feel like this is the right time for me to go to school while I don't really have any children running around to focus on. And I just want to be better prepared and have a better life set for my husband and I and our future children when I get to the point. Also, I believe in the behavioral sciences and social work field that having a master's degree will get you a lot further in the job market because there's more opportunities for somebody in social work if they have their master's degree. I wish everybody luck this semester, and I will see you all later.